Hello everyone, welcome to the GitLab 16.11 Kickoff video for the Runner Core category and the Fleet Visibility category. Hi, my name is Darren Eastman, Principal Product Manager for these categories here at GitLab. I'm currently sharing on my screen the category direction page for GitLab Runner Core. This is a page you want to go to if you need a quick overview of the things that we have planned for this fiscal year. We also have on this particular page additional drill downs in terms of what's next for us, so you can have a look at what's coming up in the near term, and then additional details in terms of what we're currently working on, as well as what we recently completed. So if you're trying to get a quick overview of the direction for the Runner Core category, I do suggest you start here at our category direction page. And we have a similar direction page, which I'll switch over to now, for Fleet Visibility. So with that said, let's kind of talk a bit about what we're working on in GitLab 16.11 for the Runner Core and Fleet Visibility categories. I'm currently showing on my screen the iteration plan for the Runner group for 16.11. And when you go to the iteration plan where we have this currently segmented or categorized, the first section of the issue here that you're looking at in the iteration plan covers Runner Core. And if you kind of scroll through to the rest of the issue, you'll see the Runner Fleet category represented here as well. In terms of new features that we're working on in the Runner Core category that we're hoping to ship in 16.11, I just want to call your attention to this area here. It's called GitLab CI Steps. And specifically, we are needing to work on shipping the GitHub Actions compatibility experiment for GitLab CI Steps. And this is to enable the running and the execution from within GitLab CI of GitHub Actions using our new step framework, which is a piece of the overall component solution set that we've been rolling out here at GitLab. So this is a really important new feature and capability that's now in the now under the Runner Core team's purview, and is one of the main features that we're looking to ship in 16.11. In addition to this, as always, we invest heavily in each iteration in Runner Core in reducing or working through significant bugs that are impacting our customers' use and adoption of GitLab CI. So you'll always notice here when you come to our iteration plans, there will be a bug section, and there will be a list of bugs that we have prioritized for resolution in the milestone. And so for 16.11, you can take a quick look at the various bugs that are labeled here. And when we look at what's happening in Runner Fleet in 16.11, we aren't planning to ship any new features. What's currently being worked on is some of the foundational work that's required for two main areas. One, we are doing some foundational work in support of the cells cross-functional program against GitLab, and that's what you'll see here. In addition, under the next token architecture, we're also working on some prerequisite work to allow us to move forward with the deprecation or the full disabling, if you will, on GitLab.com of the legacy runner registration token mechanism. And so there's a little bit of pre-work, a few items that we have to take care of as we move into 17.0 to allow us to do so. And then in terms of new features, this is a section here where we've got labeled Fleet Dashboard for Groups. If you've been following along, in the last few releases, we released the Fleet Dashboard for self-managed customers. But the Fleet Dashboard is currently available for self-managed customers and also on GitLab.com, but only at the admin level. So even though the first version of the Fleet Management Dashboard, of the Fleet Dashboard, I should say, rolled out first to GitLab.com, it's only available at the admin level. So customers on GitLab.com, they didn't have access to a Fleet Dashboard at their top level group namespaces. So what we're working towards is to now enable a Fleet Dashboard for groups, and that will be available on GitLab.com and also available for self-management as well. So while that feature is not shipping in 16.11, we are investing in some of the foundational work that's required to get it over the finish line. And so that's it in terms of what's planned for the Runner Core group and the Fleet Visibility group in 16.11. To reiterate, the key feature set that we're looking to ship is in the run a core category, and it's the work to deliver the CI steps, experiment, for enabling the execution or running of GitHub Actions from within GitLab CI. So that's it for 16.11. Look forward to talking to you soon in terms of the next release, which will be our major 17.0. Cheers.